Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So for today's video, we are going to turn this closet mess into a like an office nook. It's also going to be a corner for the girls to do their homeworks and school works and all of that. They are currently sharing a bedroom, so this whole bedroom is empty. Well, it's not empty. It's like a storage for all their toys, and we turn it into a playroom, but it's just a mess at the moment. So I decided I'm gonna turn this closet, and this closet we used to store our winter jackets. So I'm gonna take all of this, put them in the basement. We're gonna lose a little bit of storage, but it's okay because I'm planning to redo this whole playroom and put some storage and cubbies and all of that. But for now, we are going to start in this closet. It has a mirror door. All of our closet has mirror door, one of those like sliding ones. But I really didn't like it. But today I'm gonna start to take all of this out and clear the whole space. I'm going to take this shelf right here and paint the whole thing. Look at my little helpers.
Hi, we're still in our pajamas.
So now it's all empty. All the shelves are empty. So I'm gonna try and take this apart and take them all out. Like all of those little nail holes. So I'm gonna potty them, let them dry, and then I'm gonna sand everything down. I'm just while waiting for the potty to dry off, I'm just going to protect the floor here before I'm going to go painting. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint the trim and corners of the closet. So when the potty totally dries off, then I could just use the roller to paint the rest of the closet. I have this piece from the top of the shelf or the top of the closet earlier, so I just redo the paint. So I just paint it white. I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna paint this area as well later on. This is how it looks at the moment. It's one coat of white paint. I'm gonna redo it once it's fully dry. Okay, so update for the desk that we're going to do for the closet. So we purchased, I think this is 2 inches thick, and then the measurement of the wood lengthwise is 58 inches, and then 18 is the width. So we just use Gorilla Wood glue and then attach them together, as you can see here. And then we clamp it and we let it sit for overnight. So right now I'm gonna release this, and then I'm gonna sand the whole thing, and I'm gonna apply a stain. I mean, we don't have a proper workshop, so we're working like anywhere that we could work. Okay, so I sanded everything. Everything seems to be smooth now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a couple of coats of Early American. So I don't know if you guys could see, this is how it looks right now. It's 2 coats of the Early American stain. I'm gonna let it dry, fully dry, and then I'm gonna apply a coat of Early American. Mixed it with 1 coat of the chest, like a dark walnut stain, to make it a little bit more dark, because right now it's a little reddish. I'm so proud that I learned how to operate this woodcutter. It's so much easier now that I could just do whatever I need to do without waiting for my husband to help me out. It's just nice. After cutting all the pieces I need, I sanded them, and now I'm just applying the same stain as I've used earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna do something scary. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. This is 3 coats of Early American, and I have the stain left from a previous project. This is the Jacobin. So I'm gonna try, because I didn't really like how reddish this looks in person. So I'm gonna top it up a coat of Jacobin, and we'll see what it looks like. What did I do? So that's the coat of Jacobin. I'm gonna just wipe it off. Ooh, I like that better. Doesn't make any, like, a lot of difference right now. I don't know if you could see it. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah. So we picked up this bracket from Home Depot. This is the Everbuilt bracket, and I kind of like how industrial looking it is, but it's nickel. So I'm gonna spray paint it matte black, just so it goes well with our shelf. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint all of this. I also picked up a piece of wood. This is the 2x6x8 from Home Depot. So this is 16 inches long. I cut it and then I sand it. As you could notice, it's a little bit smoother now. The cut portion here is not as rough as it is when I got it. So I have 3 of this, and so once everything is ready, we decided to went ahead and install the shelf. So the very top shelving, this is the 11 inches bracket that I had cut earlier. So we used wood glue and screws to secure this, just to hold up the very top shelving. The white shelf that I took off earlier in paint, I'm gonna install it at the very top. And then we just put glue on top of this bracket and attach the white shelving. We also put two heavy stuff on top of the edges of the shelf, just so the glue would secure it properly. And we let it sit there for the whole day. Instead of just running extension cord underneath, we also installed a plug, because on the other side of the wall there is a already pre-existing plug. So we just cut a hole and jump it into the other side. My father-in-law did this for us because my husband and I obviously didn't know how to do this. So once that's done, we put up the desk portion of the office, and then the 15 inches bracket that I cut earlier and stained, we use that and install that. Same manner as how we installed the 11 inches bracket. The only difference is we installed a metal bracket in the middle of the desk, just to have the sturdiness and secure the desk properly, since we are putting a computer on top of the desk. For more finished look, we decided to drill a hole for the computer cords and all that. So using the nickel bracket that is spray painted, we are going to install three staggered shelf on the wall using the 16 inches wood that I showed you guys earlier. We just eyeball it where we wanted the shelf, and we use drywall plugs to secure the screws, because it's a hollow wall, there's no stud in there. And voila, everything is done, everything is installed, and it looks super cute already. So now it's time for us to decorate the whole thing.